Welcome to Spacehubs Africa. In this video, we'll explore the forum feature of Spacehubs Africa community platform. To use the forum, you need to log into your Spacehubs Africa account. If you don't have one, make sure to click the register button down below, which will take you to the page where you can sign up to join our community. Enter your email here, and then your password. Once you finish inserting your password, click sign in. Once you arrive at the main page, click the forum section. In the forum section, we have three main categories for forum posting. The first one is the headquarter category. There are three forum posting subcategories that support your experience with the platform. Here you can find the frequently asked questions about the forum and how to navigate through the platform. The second one here is to find updates and news about the platform. Any new feature will be posted in this category, so stay tuned. The third one is support and feature requests. Here you can ask our team if you have any difficulties or have a recommendation for improvement. Please let us know in this category. The next category is Space Talk, which has 6 space-themed forum posting categories. The first category is Space Science and Astronomy. In this category, you can post and view things related to astronomy, astrophysics, and science behind our universe. The second category is Space Education and Law. In this category, you can post and view discussions, ideas on space law and space education. The third category is Space Business and Entrepreneurship. Here you can find latest trends in space business, new space, and financing. The fourth category is Space Technologies, where you can post and view new tech developments. The next category is Space News. Anything that is new in the space arena is found here. The final category is Space General. Here you can post and view general things about space. If you want to talk about life or topics other than space, you're welcome to post in the off-topic category. The next thing that we're going to see is how to create a forum post. Once you identified your theme from these categories, click your preferred one. For example, if you wanted to post in the Space Education and Law category, click here. Then click to write your post title here. Below, you should write the content for your post and hit Create New Topic button to finalize your post. Now you've successfully created a forum post in the selected category. You can also reply to other people's posts. For example, if I wanted to reply to Space Education in Africa post, I would have to click here. I would have to write my comment here and then hit Submit Reply. When someone posts a new content, you'll receive an email if you subscribe to that category or forum post. You can customize your notification settings here by clicking Notification Settings. Here you have the global settings, where you can customize your notification settings to all message boards. You can subscribe to all categories to receive an email notification when a new content is posted, or you can subscribe to a specific category, for this instance, Space Education and Law, to receive an email notification. One last thing, don't forget to read our code of conduct here. You should be aware with our guidelines for forum posting and expected behavior. In the frequently asked questions message board, click here to see the rules. Please also refer to our code of conduct for guidelines. But for here, we have all of the information that you need what an appropriate forum post is. Thanks for watching.